Let's face it, women can be intriguing, enchanting, and challenging. You're probably here because you're already dating, engaged, or married. Yes, you enjoyed her enough to get as far as you have in your relationship, but things aren't so easy anymore. She does stuff that drives you crazy, like taking forever to get ready for anything, talking over you, and or giving you her advice, chattering incessantly and never getting to the point, overreacting to stuff that really doesn't matter that much, ignoring your input when you try to help her, trying to fix, manage, and control you, attacking, blaming, criticizing. Let's talk about what you want and need and why you don't have it yet. The solutions are simple, but they're not always obvious or easy, mostly because you don't have the framework you need. Now, you can't build anything great without a plan. So let's talk about how to build a better marriage. Men and women are different. They always have been and they always will be. That's the primary reason she doesn't make sense to you. You'll learn the primary principle that drives everything she does. Three more principles tell you what she wants from you, and the last three principles will tell you what she needs from you. Are you ready? Let's get started.